So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to blur a video here on VN video editor. So if I were to go ahead and just play my video right here, as you can tell, it kind of looks the way it looks. If you wanted to change this, press the video to open up this bottom bar. Slide this video to the right all the way to where it says blur in between border and opacity, and then select blur. A blur. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and select sort of a blur, so you can kind of choose which one you want to do. So if you want vertical blur like that, you can make it more blurry like that. So if I were to go ahead and play the video right here, it's the same video, it's just blurred. If you want to go ahead and change it, you can press none, and then you can view it this way. Once again, you can kind of play around with it, and then use this bar in the bottom to determine how blurry you want to make the video. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to blur a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.